everyone, welcome back. Right, bit of free time on my hands. Yes, I know, doesn't normally happen, but there you go. So, what started off as a bird book the main pages are birds, but it's got lots of other sort of bits in it. Because as I saw pictures, it was like, oh, like that, oh, like that. So it's a general sort of bird-themed animal book. I think that's a way of describing it. Hardback cover, measures 6 to that bit of the hinge by 8 3/4. There is 1.5 inch spine on it because I found they just seem to sit better, or the book, it makes it a little more compact. So on the front we've got, first of all, I apologise for the light, it's getting dark, but I'm not going to get a chance to do this any other time. We've got stenciling with Maya gold, because I like sparkle. I don't always do pretty sort of sparkly books, but I like a bit of bling occasionally. There's a crocheted doily, which was gifted to me by the lovely Andrea of Arty Maze. I've got a Tim Holtz bookplate, and there's a picture of a butterfly in the middle. It's got wings. Okay, it's not quite a bird, but you know, you get the general gist of it. There's a hitch fastener with some seam binding. On spine, I've done more stenciling with the Maya Gold. There we go, if I hold it up you can see the sparkle. And then a bit more stenciling to sort of complement on the back. 160 pages altogether, plus the couple of folios that I did on the tutorial the other day. So we go through them. So this is off the bird kit, the vintage bird kit. So we actually have a inside book cover from a copy, I will say, a copy of A Traveller's Companion. Now this is an actual title page from one of my books, Birds, Trees and Flowers. I think this was done 1935, I think that one's dated from. So we have a wonderful image of a fox. Now this was gifted to me by the lovely Edwina, whose link to channel I put in the beneath the folio tutorial. So that's that one. As I said, yeah, sort of started off, and now we've got some pigs. Little owl. That's actually from the same book as the title page, that one. Home to Our Mountains, music paper. That one is getting on for 100 years old, so that one is a bit delicate, that one is. A bit more watermark, a few more watermark pages. Just like them, I think they break it up a bit. Spring Promise, that's the kit that one is out of. Ledger paper. Now this is the first of the folios. I gave up with the magnets that I'd done on my original one, and actually ended up tying them up with ribbon, although as you can see I've forgotten to do it up for this video. But the ribbon works really well, so I put it as my centre, this folio. So washi tape on both sides. Excuse me, that one's squished down a bit. There we go. So we have a nice big pocket on this side with a card of a bird in. On this side, another deep pocket, and that one's got bumblebees. So if I open it up, oh, can't quite get it all in. No, wrong way, sorry. Really shouldn't let me loose with the camera, should they? So you can see it in all its glory there. So we have a tuck down there with a card. Top tuck up here. Another tag. These are flip ups. I've stenciled in Maya Gold, as you can see. I've had a bit of a go on this journal with this one. Not decorated inside. And we have a couple of deep pockets, so that one and that one. And this side's a bit of a waterfall going on. So stenciling and washi tape, and then washi tape on the ones below. The idea was that I wanted this to look like a workbook, like a notebook that some lady might have taken, pretty, but that some lady might have taken out with her on her travels. And we come to the back of the pages, so another watermark. I don't quite what she'd do with music paper, I don't know. A flight of my fancy. Tag. And the back of the title page. I just love those sparrows. And second signature. Dragonflies. Edith Holden. So that is a Nature by Day book. A frog. It's a bird book. Of course I'm going to put a frog in it. Some watermarking. Now this reminded me, this was another bit I had from Andrea, and it just reminded me of an old-fashioned handkerchief, and I thought, oh, I like that. Yep, that fits this. So we have a woodpecker tagging that. A ripped out book page with a bit of, actually some of the bottom of one of these, of one of the doilies. That's a glassine bag. These are empty. It was getting quite heavy by this time. Water meadow kit, that one. Tag. And the centre. And glassine bag, so the same principle, another book page with some doily top and bottom. Watermark. And back of the pages. And then signature 3. So we have another, this time about honeybees. Another tag. Watermark page. That's a fabric side tuck. Don't know. Some more woodpeckers, I think. A bit more Edith Holden. Some deer in the field in that one. Some more the Nature by Day book. And this is leisure paper that I've printed on. And centre. And the other half ledger paper. Rabbits. And the back of the woodland scene. The watermark pages. Sorry, I'm trying to sort of... One of our young ladies has a home tutor who is in at the moment. So it's like, right, quick, 5 minutes. Let's get this done. And then signature 4. So we have another card. Yeah, I quite like these functional books. So another tag there, a bit more ledger paper. Victorian Ladies Flower Book, that one. A short-eared owl. And that's an owl I've done as a watermark page. Centre. An owl in flight. A blackbird sunbasking. And the back of the papers. A belly band. That was another tag that Edwina gifted me. I like those. They are lovely. And signature number 4. We have a butterfly card in there. Some birds on that one. Scarecrow. Another watermark page. Tag. A half page. A hare. I still see hares occasionally when I leave early. Winter hare. And centre. Bit of a folder. It's tried to do some fancy stitching with my machine and suddenly realised actually all I'm going to do is press out the paper, so stopped at the bottom. Back of the watermark. Bit of a fun envelope with bumblebees and hives on it. The envelope is empty. Back of the picture. And the last signature. So we have another butterfly card. So is it dictionary? Yeah. Oh, it's a French dictionary. Birds in the trees. The watermarked owl. And this was the other folio that I made in my tutorial. No, actually, that was a different one, sorry. This is my original one. So we have a nice, very deep pocket here that I've put a tag in. And then open up inside. Because the papers are quite dark, I've actually gone over it a bit more Maya gold, as you can see, just to bring it out a bit. So in this one, there's a tag on vivariums. And then here we have a butterfly tag. There again, that is a very large pocket. And then a notepad, which I've actually glued. I've stitched the pages together and then glued them onto the card. And that's the other watermarked owl. Birds. Another tag. And the back page. So that's nice and bright to finish on. So there we go. I will be listing this. If you're interested, everything will be below. So thank you very much for watching and speak to you all soon. Take care.